Hello friends, this is Rajan. Hope you are doing good. In this video, I'm going to walk you through all the crude oil trades that I've taken last week. There are two live trades video that I have recorded, so that can help you, I guess, in terms of how I think during the live market to trade crude oil. If you are new to this video, please make sure to check this crude oil video and then come back to this video. And we are using Asta Trade to trade crude oil. So link is in the description. So use that link to open the account in like just 2 days or a day. And also for the people who have been using the Asta Trade Wave app, you can consider using Asta Flow app. The UI is good and it is better. Okay. Hello friends, so this is Monday, June 29th, and I just bought 4 lots of crude oil mega. And if you see here, this is the perfect triangle breakout, and I just entered with the 4 lots, and I'm expecting it to touch the green levels, but I will exit the position once it touches 10 points. So my target is just 10 points from my entry, although it has all the potential to touch the green line here. So here I'm using the JFT zone indicator. Please make sure to watch the previous videos regarding this indicator, okay, which is free. So let's see what happens. Looks like I'll just exit the position right now because I almost touched 10 points here. So uh, I think I'll exit now. Just a second, let me check crude oil. Okay, looks good. So I'll just exit now. Let me see. Okay, so totally 11 points, guys. So this is how you trade the breakout. Okay, I'm done with the crude oil for today, and I will focus on the other work for the rest of the day. Even if the crude oil goes up, I don't care, because even now the crude oil looks good. Once the green line is broken, it has all the potential to go up further, but as of now my target is done for the day, so I will not even look at the crude oil for today. Probably after the US market opens like 6:30 to 7 o'clock, I'll have a check, but I'm done for the day. Okay guys, so this is July 1, Wednesday, and I see a pattern breakout from the US oil, so I'm just going to buy one lot for now, because there could be some retrace, so I'll enter there, or it could also be a fake breakout, so I'm not going to go with huge lots here, and I'll see the condition and I go as per that. Okay, although I'm very confident that there's going to be a good move from here, but it is always safer to enter at various points. Okay, let me see. If I get the opportunity, I'll enter now itself with all the lots, like 2 or 3 lots. Let me just buy one more here. Now it's 2 lots. I think I'll buy another lot here because there has been no retrace so far. If Let me just go and buy one more lot. Okay. Okay, this would be the best price, I guess. Let's see. Now I have bought one more lot. I think I'll just buy one more lot as it has come down a little bit. Totally 4 lots now. Okay, so just because there is a red candle doesn't mean that it's a reversal. If you look at the rally before this, it was quite huge rally, right? At a short span of time, there was a huge rally. So this could be a retrace. So you should not panic. And if I get a chance, I'll just buy another lot also. But let it recover a little bit, and then I'll buy one more lot. Okay. I just bought another lot here, and I hope there will be some recovery. Let's see if this is a successful trade or not. So far it is not so bad, because in 30 minutes time frame also it does look like a retrace. So let's see. Probably my stop loss would be 10,000 rupees here. Okay. Okay, I think it is getting a support here. Okay, I think the momentum may continue from here. So I just exited two positions already, and right now I'm thinking of exiting the other three lots also. Let me just check the charts once again. Looks good. What is the latest traded prices? Okay. I'm putting a limit price, and if this is executed, I'm happy. Uh, let's just wait for a couple more minutes. Let's see, or we'll just exit it with the market price. Okay. Okay, I think it is executed now. So this is how you trade, guys. If you notice, I entered at different prices and exited at different prices. So initially I went with three lots at the top, and I bought two more lots at the bottom, that is the retrace candle. And once I got a profit of like 9,000 or 9,600, I exited two of my lots, and then again I exited with the three lots. So this is how you should trade. You should not enter with five lots and exit with five lots in one go, unless you are very confident. In the first trade I made that, right? I went with the four lots. That's because I was very confident. So if you are less confident, this is how you must do. But for the beginners who has started now, I would request you to trade only with one lot for at least 3 months. Even for me, if you have noticed, I traded like I started trading again in crude oil like last month. I was trading only with one lot for at least 3 weeks. Okay, and only at the fourth week I've started scaling up the number of lots. That's because I wanted to warm up, and I wanted to see if I still had the knack. So since I was consistent for the past 3 weeks, here I went with the confidence with four lots, five lots. Okay, you should not do this unless you are confident and unless you are consistent for at least 3 months, and then you can scale up to two lots and then three lots. Okay, because your emotions will not be as same as mine. I can control to an extent, but as a beginner your emotions will be at stake, because when you were looking at the MTM with 6,500, even when I was a beginner I would freak out, right? So that is the difference. So once you practice, you will be able to scale up. Okay, I'm not saying you should not do it. It is better to do it in the future when you are very confident, right? So regarding Tuesday's trade, I traded this breakout, and I entered at the top, and right after I entered with one lot, it reversed, and I bought another lot here at the red candle here. So my stop loss was right below this red candle. I almost thought it got hit, but fortunately it didn't hit, because I was quite unsure about this trade. I thought it would be a stop loss hit trade because of this huge red candle. So I closed here around this red candle, around 3,000 rupees profits. Okay, and on Thursday, this is Thursday, I guess, 2 July. This is the trade that I missed. Okay, I missed this trade, and during the morning I was quite busy with the stocks, I guess, and I forgot crude oil completely. Um, and I traded this breakout again during the evening. This is the breakout. So I entered here, and I exited here. It was supposed to be 2,500 rupees profit, but I made an order error, silly order error, and the profit was 1,700. Okay. And on Friday, apparently the US market was off, and there were no volume at all. I didn't know of this fact actually, and I traded this, breakout, and it just didn't move at all. Okay, and I closed it with 400 rupees profits with I think 4 lots. So that is actually a loss when you include the brokerages and other things. So that was like a small loss, although it is a profit. Okay, so this is how I trade crude oil, guys. So this is, as I mentioned in the previous video, this is like a daily income. Once you master this, you can really depend on this style of trading. And if you want more strategies like this, you can also consider joining my memberships. Okay, we have better strategies than this. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Like this video and also share this with your friends. Thank you so much for listening to me with patience.